Today we'll be photographing the world's most underrated watch. The Rolex Explorer 1 first started in 1953. Rolex launched the Explorer 1 to celebrate the first confirmed ascent of Mount Everest, where Sir Edmund Hillary wore a Rolex Oyster Perpetual. Designed for adventure, it features a rugged 36mm case and a clear 369 dial, and a reliable movement for extreme conditions. Over the decades, it evolved with sapphire crystals and modern calibers, staying true to its minimalist roots. The Rolex Explorer here, the 124270, was released in 2021 and brings back the classic 36mm size with the advanced caliber 3230, blending heritage and cutting-edge tech for all Explorers today. Informally, its robust oyster steel build and timeless design make it a go-to for jeans and tees ready for a hike or a coffee run. With 100-meter water resistance and precise caliber 3230, it's built to handle any day from a boardroom to backcountry without missing a beat. For this shot, I think we're going to go with the khaki theme because Explorer, leave it kind of rugged, leave the wrinkles in there. We're also going to be going for a multi-tool. We'll use it up there. We're going to use the classic card, military challenge coin that we got. And as usual, today we'll be using the Canon RP with the Nifty 50mm lens.